So Minali, we've been together for 21 weeks. How has been your journey of coaching with me?
It was definitely a very beautiful journey with you, Rajat, because as a woman we come across a lot of professional and personal challenges, and sometimes we become dual personality, and we start looking for solutions which is actually easily available with us. When I met you first time, that was the time when I realized, no, I need her. I need her guidance in my journey, because I was looking for someone like you. I should be like you. That kind of thought process came into my picture. Very, confident, bold, and proper business professional. Like you have that aura. So when I had a meeting with you first time, I realized, no, I want to be like her. So I should be with her in this journey where I can start understanding how I can be that. But during this journey, when we started with my sessions, I was expecting that you will give me solutions, and so that I can become like you. And I was upset after 2 or 4 weeks when I was asking you what to do for this or that, and you always used to make me think and find out the solution with your tools, with your guidance. And initially I felt bad, and then one day I realized that, yeah, I don't need Rajat, because I'm not, now I'm getting my solution. But after 4 5 days again I used to, no, I need Rajat. So that was keep happening. So that kind of it was a baby step happening throughout this time. It was not something shortcut which immediately changed me. So it was all basic steps, and then that was a transformation happening. And I had a lot of fun with you. Sometimes I was emotional, and then you actually the thing which made me emotional, you used to act in a same way, and made me to think. So this is something you say, I'm a partner without profit sharing. You treat me like that. I would say even partner will not treat you like that. So this is something I would say kind of angel. Angel in my business journey, in my journey, where you have actually as a woman, you have understood what can be best for me to take my own decisions. So you are not giving me fish to eat, you are teaching me how to fish. So that was an eye opener after 1 month, that, oh, she's teaching me how to fish. And then I started enjoying my fishing.
Okay, great to hear that. So, Minali, if somebody was looking for this kind of help, what would you tell them about coaching? How does coaching help in business? Because most entrepreneurs feel that they are self-sufficient. They don't need coaching. So, you are yourself a very independent person, right? So, why would they want coaching?
Okay. So my actually my services are, I help people to lose weight. So even I come across same thing. Sometimes some people weighing 120 kg, and still they say, I need some time to think. So how what I can say is, unless some emergency or some the self awareness or the triggering comes into mind, that triggers actually awakens the person that, yes, I want a coach. I want to because I have my bigger dreams. I want to achieve those goals. I'm very serious about my goals. I cannot waste my time. So I have to look for a coach who can really help me, guide me. Even best of the best sports player also need a coach. So having coach is not that someone is teaching you, or someone is instructing you and you are following them. Having a coach is, they are actually making you more aware. They are giving you your own listening ears, and they are giving you their listening ears, and then they are giving you some tools, because because they are not judging you, they are there to help you. So, and I come from corporate background, so if I go back to my some of the members, some of those people, you keep listening, zaruri hai karna, क्यों करना है? So some kind of, so that's when you are surrounded by such things, then definitely you need a coach, and when your dreams are bigger. So
Wow, when your dreams are bigger, you need a coach. Awesome, Minali. I think I must thank you for your time, and it is a pleasure working with you, Minali. In fact, I look forward to meeting you because I want to know what you did with the feedbacks that I gave you every week. You are my best student.
thank you.
So
I need an award for that.
yes, sure, you will get an award for that.
Yes, yes.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.